Track, monitor, reconcile with Agility Production Labor Reporting. Track every minute with ease. Whether you're manually reporting hours in Agility Explorer or using a handheld device directly on the line, reporting labor is instant. Employees select their order, assign their resource type, and hit start. From senior technicians to junior labor, your team stays connected to the job in real time. Monitor with a bird's eye view by selecting the time tracking admin screen. Managers can review live statuses, edit start times on the fly, and ensure data integrity before posting directly to the ERP. Reconcile your resources to protect your bottom line. Go to the Production Reconciliation screen to compare planned versus issued labor and materials. Instantly identify variances, monitor completion percentages, and analyze gain-loss metrics to optimize your next run. Turn raw data into your greatest asset. By closing the gap between planned and actual labor, you can control production variance with ease. Leverage these insights to strengthen margins and improve throughput, ensuring every resource on your floor is optimized for maximum profitability. Visit WiSys.com/labor reporting for more details.